Today we're introducing Telehealth in Chartnote. Telehealth allows you to record virtual visits directly in Chartnote and automatically turn them into clinical notes. When you create a new note, you'll see a new option to select the recording mode, in-person or telehealth. So, what does telehealth or web-based video conference mean? If your visit happens online, for example through a video call, you can record that conversation and let Chartnote handle the documentation for you. When using telehealth, there are two important steps. First, make sure you select the correct microphone. During virtual visits, audio can come from different sources: your computer, a headset, or the video call platform. So choosing the right microphone ensures the visit is captured correctly. Second, when prompted to share audio, you'll need to select what to share from your browser. If your visit is on Google Meet or Doximity, select Chrome tab and make sure Tab Audio Sharing is enabled. If your visit is on Zoom or Microsoft Teams, select Entire Screen and enable System Audio Sharing before clicking Share. Always make sure the microphone you select is the one capturing the conversation. One important note: telehealth works in Chrome-based browsers such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once your recording mode and microphone are selected, just start recording, run your visit as usual, and Chartnote will take care of the rest. Less manual charting, less friction, a smoother telehealth workflow. That's telehealth in Chartnote.